This is an Amber Alert notification of a child abduction. The American Fork/Cedar Hills PD is asking for the public's help. The suspect is identified as Danny C. Halaf. They are 5 feet, 11 inches tall, weighing 190 pounds. They have black hair and brown eyes and sleeve tat on both forearms. They were last seen wearing Blocks t-shirt/Blocks pants/dark tennis shoes. The child abduction victim is identified by police as Lorenzo Lemon. He is 5 years old and was wearing khaki pants/Blocks Nike shoes/honey-colored hair/brown eyes/beach themed button-down shirt. He has sandy hair and brown eyes. 3 feet, 6 inches tall and weighs about 40 pounds. The abduction happened in American Fork. The suspect was driving a red 2012 sex today with license plate S2NP. If you have any information, please call 801-822-2269 or simply dial 911. Lorenzo Lemon. He was 5 years old. Blocks Nike shoes/honey-colored hair/brown button-down shirt. He has sandy hair and brown eyes. He is 3 feet, 6 inches tall and weighs about 40 pounds. He was at the
Now we're gonna try KXL. KSL.
With the Federal Business Bureau. Call now. 785-C-130. That's 800-592. This is an Amber Alert notification of a child abduction. The American Fork/Cedar Hills PD is asking for the public's help. The suspect is identified as Danny C. Halaf. They are 5 feet, 11 inches tall, weighing 190 pounds. They have black hair and brown eyes and sleeve tat on both forearms. They were last seen wearing Blocks t-shirt/Blocks pants/dark tennis shoes. The child abduction victim is identified by police as Lorenzo. He is 5 years old and was wearing khaki pants/Blocks Nike shoes/honey-colored hair/brown eyes/beige themed button-down shirt. He has sandy hair and brown eyes. He is 3 feet, 6 inches tall and weighs about 40 pounds. The abduction happened at American Fork. The suspect was driving a red 2012 Acura DSX6 with license plate 2S10NP. If you have any information, please call police at 801-822-2269 or simply dial 911.
I still don't know why a Mexican station is bleeding in today.
Pounds. They have black hair and brown eyes and sleeve tat on both forearms. They were last seen wearing Blocks t-shirt/Blocks pants/dark tennis shoes. The child abduction victim is identified by police as Lorenzo Lemon. He is 5 years old and was wearing khaki pants/Blocks Nike shoes/honey-colored hair/brown eyes/beach themed button-down shirt. He has sandy hair and brown eyes. He is 3 feet, 6 inches tall and weighs about 40 pounds. The abduction happened at American Fork. The suspect was driving a red 2012 Acura DSX6 with license plate 2S2NP. If you have any information, please call police at 801-822-2969 or simply dial 911.
You try to Russia to its
This is an Amber Alert notification of a child abduction. The American Fork/Cedar Hills Police Department is asking for the public's help. The suspect is identified as Danny C. Halaf. They are 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 190 pounds. They have black hair and brown eyes and sleeve tattoos on both forearms. They were last seen wearing a black t-shirt, black pants, and dark tennis shoes. The child abduction victim is identified by police as Lorenzo Lemon. He is 5 years old and was wearing khaki pants, black Nike shoes, and a beach-themed button-down shirt. He has sandy brown hair and brown eyes. He is 3 feet 6 inches tall and weighs about 40 pounds. The abduction happened at American Fork. The suspect was driving a red 2012 Acura TSX SE with license plate 2S2NP. The vehicle is missing the front bumper and grille and has damage to the driver's side window. If you have any information, please call police at 801-822-2969 or simply dial 911. This has been an Amber Alert notification of a child abduction. Our next alert will be in 30 minutes.
Since when did KSL originated?